Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3051st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, I've been trying to hold back on putting out a video all day for you today. I wanted to wait for the close of the OMNI S&P NASDAQ Russ at 5 p.m. Eastern, then do the video so I could run Omni. Can't run Omni till 5 p.m. As it turns out, I have to do this video now. The market hasn't even closed yet. It's only 4:22 p.m. Eastern, but I have to do this video for you. So video number 3051 is for trading on Tuesday through Wednesday. This is your E-mini S&P Daily Bar. Please note trading is risky. We've got a deadline with Iran this afternoon or this evening at 8 p.m. That's going to make things go crazy. Trading is risky. Know that, all right? Let's move forward. What are you looking at? E-mini S&P Daily Bar Chart. I'm going to take you back for a moment. I want you to see something. What's the date right here? In fact, you can see it with your own eyes. What is the date right here? Let me just move this in. What's the date right here? See the date? The date shows up right here in this spot over to the right. Right now it says 1024. What's the date right here? 04 April 07 2025. That, the market reversed on that day. That was the market lows. This was driven down due to Trump tariffs. Let's move forward. Where are we now? Traders, what's the date right here? What's it say right here? What's that date say? Oh, look, it says 04 April 07 2026. Interesting day for something dynamic to happen. Now, I'm going to take you to another chart. This chart, I have many Omniacs who witnessed me create this chart in 2024. Before there were Trump tariffs, before the down move. This is your NASDAQ monthly bar chart. Every one of these bars represents a full month's worth of trading. And in this chart, I said I want to show you proof. This is a testament to the power of technical analysis. This will happen next year. This is me speaking in 2024. This will happen next year. In April of 2025, the market will crack severely and drop all the way down to 15,300. This is Psycho Me speaking when the highs were being made at 22,200. And I'm saying, I don't know why I'm getting this analysis, but this chart tells me that we're going to drop. Well, we did. And we bottomed right on 4/7/2025. The chart was amazing. We all were in amazement because I created the chart months before this happened. We're going to take the same chart now and move to today, right now. Now, what happened? The market ran up and got above this. Let me show you something very important. It got above this. Got above this red line. Took off. Got above that average, held the red line, and we exploded. Now, we are in a bull flag. It's been on my chart for the last 6 months. I've been showing this to you, Omniacs. We are at that spot where it is 4/07/2026. Watch, just watch. And here is what you need to expect. We have held that red line. This is on a monthly. This chart does not play any games. This is a bull flag. This thing, bull flag. Let me get the circle out of the way. This is a bull flag. The bull flag has built itself inside of this channel. We're bouncing off the low of the channel. We're bouncing off this average, and it is now April 7th, 2026. I say something happens. We hit bottom here, or at least we stay inside that red line no matter what happens and eventually take out the top of the bull flag. That is the analysis I put forth looking at this chart. The Omni 2026 year-end call, by the way. In 2025, I gave out the Omni 2026 year-end call on this day. On this day, when we plummeted, I gave out the year-end call. And we went up all the way to here. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, the 2026 Omni year-end call, I'm not giving you the exact number because I want to get in front of the cameras where I'm bouncing around and having some fun to give you that, but I'm going to tell you this right now. The 2026 Omni year-end call is for higher prices, not lower. This would be the day I would give it out, but it's too early. I have to get this video out now, because if I wait till tonight when my editors come over and can put me in my video room, in my studio, I'll miss the opportunity. 8 p.m., there's some big deadline coming, right? It's only 5 p.m. in Vegas. My editor won't be able to get here on time. It has to go out now. So, it's 4/07/26. This was 4/07/25. It's the same day last year I gave out my year-end call for the upside, and up we did go. I'm giving you a call now. The year-end call is for the upside. I'm not giving you the exact price until I stand in front of the cameras. It is not for the downside. Traders, I hope this helps you. Now, if we do hold here, and the news with Iran is good, it makes perfect sense for two reasons. One, we hit this crazy average I haven't shown anybody yet because I just wanted to be quiet, and held so far. Today would be the anniversary of 1 year ago that the markets bottomed and held. I showed you all that good information. The second thing I think is fantastic is this. Look at the OMNI, Oscar's Market, look at the OMNI trading token. OMNIAX Unite, it has held this wonderful average. Let me see if this circle will let me move it. Hold on just a moment. It has held this wonderful average the entire life of the token. Its entire life. And now we are at that average on a really big day when markets are likely going to turn and do something dynamic. Now, anything can happen with a war, and one thing can be said, markets could plummet. I'm just showing you the analysis that I have to put forth. I hope this analysis helps you. Traders, if you haven't bought your Omni coin, you better buy it now. Omni Trading Token. Right below this video, you'll see my Omni Trading Token address. You can buy it right there on Coinbase. Just make sure you're not in Coinbase Advanced. You got to go to, take it out of the black mode, put it in the white mode if you're on Coinbase, and you can buy the token. And if this is going to happen, we're going to start to rally. If we rally, the stock market rallies, Solana will rally, Bitcoin will rally, and our token will rally just on that alone, let alone us buying more. So make sure you have your Omni Trading Token. I've got a lot of people that are getting into this token. They haven't even gotten in yet. And I have a really big influencer that you might have heard me on the phone with earlier today that we are going to get together this afternoon and start to move this thing into the bigger spotlight out there so more and more people see it. Make sure you buy your Omni token. Get it now. Happy Easter is now over, traders, and we are back to trading. Traders, I hope this helps. Remember, stop, SAR. Let me move it over. Emotions are out. I hope you were paying attention to the things I put in this video because they may be very, very future price telling from this moment forward. Watch the video again. Take a look. Next video, I will give you my year-end targets. Thank you for everything you do, OMNIAX. Please leave your comments below, and I'll be sure to answer those comments. Have a great day. Be ready for 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, OMNIAX, and see what the big showdown will be all about.